In this video, I will show you how to get the X50 or times 50 community chest on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. So I've currently got a community chest ready to open. So what we're going to do is jump into that now. Now, to actually get the X50 community chest, of course this is purely random and down to luck. However, there's one little tip that I want to share with you. So what you want to do is start spinning the wheel to start landing on your friends, and you want to try and land on your friends that have got these kind of present icons. So here we are, I've landed on someone that's given me a present. Now sometimes these give you dice and money and things like that. As you can see, in this case, I've got some money, but what we're looking for is something called the active friend bonus. So what I'm going to do is spin again. You can see I didn't get money that time, but I'm going to see if I can land on another person here that's got a present. So if we go ahead and collect this one, okay, and that time it's given me some dice. So we're going to try again. Hopefully I'm going to land on someone that's going to give me the friend bonus. So I can show you this quick tip on how to increase your chance of getting the X50 community chest. So here's another one here. So let's open this present. And as you can see, we've now got the active friend bonus. Now what this basically does, it enables you to actually choose another friend. And what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to choose this other friend here who's also got a present, and hopefully this is going to give me another friend bonus, which it didn't on this case, but of course if I got a friend bonus that time, I would be able to select someone else and increase my chance of getting the X50 community chest. So as mentioned, getting the X50 community chest is down to luck and randomness, but that is one quick tip I wanted to share with you guys to increase your chance of getting the X50 community chest on Monopoly Go. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.